ninjas.
Yes, us.
Versus ex-hackers.
Hey.
That's us. That's what we are, Regina.
Well, we're also spy ninjas.
Yes, and you're all losers. Whoever knows me the least, they get an embarrassing photo leaked on their social media profile. I found it on V's phone. Oh. Hey, okay, no funny business. Whoever wins may have a chance to win back V's phone.
So what's stopping us from teaming up and just taking that phone from you?
I found something crazy on this phone. You can just leak all the photos.
V doesn't have anything crazy on that phone, right, V?
Yeah, no, I think we should play this game. It's just too big of a risk.
Fine. Let's go, PZ9.
Yeah, on to the game. That's all about me. What's my favorite video game?
Everybody knows the answer to this question, you big goon. Roblox. 1 point for me. Let's move. Round 2.
Yes, we've played Roblox a couple of times, but that's not my favorite.
PZ9, you gotta be lying, man. I know when people are lying, most of the time. Everybody knows you play 24/7.
No, I'm too busy trying to be the best YouTuber there ever was.
You know what, PZ9? I know what your favorite game is.
What?
It's Overwatch.
Oh, wow. How did you know?
I just know you the best, PZ9, so you might as well just give me my phone back right now.
No, that's not how the game works. But she's right. I love Overwatch.
Dang, V, how did you know that?
I'm not gonna tell you right now, Daniel, but I think the spy ninjas at home know.
Nerds.
They're not nerds.
Next round, Chad versus Regina. Who, if there is any, is my favorite spy ninja?
It's pretty obvious, PZ9. You've got the hots for a certain spy ninja. And I think her name is formerly PZ4. Now it's called Regina.
No, it's not.
What?
It's not.
I'm offended.
She's probably the worst spy ninja. Low-ranking spy ninja. She can't even play Roblox right.
Wait, she's a top 5 PZ member. You're 9.
Oh, yeah. I have an answer for you. Your favorite spy ninja is Chad, isn't it? Because you're jealous of his spy ninja moves because they're better than yours.
Okay. Yes. Hey. Chad is the only adversary to ever win against me.
I think V flipped you a couple times, didn't she?
Barely. Next question. Who is my favorite YouTuber?
Gosh, this is a tough one.
Daniel, maybe you should have on PZ9's YouTube or something.
I can at least see what he's liked recently.
Yeah,
his most liked videos.
Oh yeah, do that.
Yeah, let me see here.
I almost want to say like T-Series because you're a sellout. Oh.
I got the answer.
What is it?
I think your favorite YouTuber is Wenji.
Are you a Wenji corn? Why do you think that's his favorite?
I'll tell you, just tell me if it's right or not.
It's not.
That's definitely right, man. I hacked PZ9's like history on YouTube. I can see all the videos he's given a thumbs up to, and like the past 10 have been Wenji videos. Look, right here. Girl problems that guys don't understand.
You got some girl problems, PZ9?
Would you care to explain?
How to sneak candy in class by Wenji.
Whoa, that's something you would do.
Yeah, she has interesting content. It's just something I watch. But she's not my favorite!
I got it. Boom. Well, you see, you've got the largest ego of anybody I've ever met before, PZ9. You think pretty highly of yourself. So I think your favorite YouTuber is PZ9, the greatest fighter. You think yourself as the greatest YouTuber.
Whoa.
Well, yes!
Oh. More like PZ9, the best ponytail.
Hey, I guess I really am a Wenji corn. I don't care what I watch on YouTube.
PZ9, I think you're a little too confident in your YouTubing abilities and how many subscribers you have. Spy Ninjas, we need to make sure that he does not pass Qwaint. So underneath this video right now, go down, turn the phone this way, look underneath the video. If that subscribe button is red, you gotta click it, make it turn gray, make sure it says subscribed. And if the bell symbol is there, hit it, make sure the bell's ringing. Ding, 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 ding.
Next question. Hey ladies!
What?
What do you think is my ideal version of a date? Yeah!
Okay, Stop laughing. Yeah, I did go on a date with you once. Remember? We had a picnic and then you got some Takis and you just kind of complained the whole time and yelled at me. But
Oh, dang.
what's he doing?
I said no funny business, V.
What are you talking about, PZ9?
You tried to get your phone back unfairly before we even finished the game.
Just give my phone back, PZ9. You stole it. Just give it back.
Why don't you just win the phone fairly, sit back down, and stop your lollygagging?
You pushed me? Regina, hold my earring.
Oh gosh, girl, it's okay. No, everyone.
Hey, chill. It's just a phone, V. It's just a phone. You know, nothing to fight over. We can get you a new phone, V. Just chill out. It's all good. Let's just sit down and play the game. It's fine.
You want your phone that badly?
Just a phone.
Yes,
Just a
it's my phone. It's my property.
We'll win it back.
Okay, fine. Just give me my earring back.
No need to break an earring over this, okay?
PZ9, sit back down.
As you were saying, Regina, about our wonderful date.
I think I know what your ideal date is. A date with me.
Is that right?
Picnic.
No, it's not.
What are you talking about? You took her on a picnic date.
That's a great type of date.
I was fresh out of the tunnels. I didn't have any resources to go on anything fantastic. That's a poor man's date. It didn't cost me anything.
Great dates don't need to cost anything.
She said it was a great date.
It didn't cost you anything but your dignity, PZ9. What?
Chad!
Well, I'm just saying he embarrassed himself.
Because you went on a date with me?
No, he made a fool of himself. Nothing to do with you, Regina. You did great. You did a good job.
I don't know about Chad.
You know what, PZ9? I saw you when we were at the Hollywood Hills in California. You think you're so fancy schmancy. So I think your perfect date is something fancy, 5-star restaurant, lobster, something like that.
In my previous questions, I think I said that Chad was my favorite spy ninja. I think it's V, because she's right. She knows me. With over 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, I can afford the finest luxuries. I will take my dates to the 5-star restaurants at the top of the most expensive hotel. I will get the finest sparkling water from the waterfalls of some foreign place. Yes, and then afterwards, for dessert, I will fly her down south of the border where we will enjoy the finest honey-topped ice cream. Yes.
Honey-topped ice cream?
And a bunch of gold foil shaved on top because I can afford it as a YouTuber. You would like that, wouldn't you, Regina?
Yeah, let's go.
Has Chad ever taken you on any of these fantastic YouTuber dates?
Chad?
That's a YouTuber date now?
100,000 subscribers? Balling out!
Didn't Daniel and I just tell you yesterday, you don't get paid based on how many subscribers you have, PZ9. You don't know anything about YouTube, do you?
Next question. I'm done with this guy.
Who is my favorite idol?
Someone besides yourself, right?
It's on the tip of my tongue. You were on a date with Regina once and you said it.
Oh,
You
yeah,
said
yeah.
it. Can I phone in a friend, PZ9?
First of all, you gotta have friends to do that.
I got a bunch of friends, PZ9. More than you. I'm sorry. Here, Regina, can I come over here for a second?
Okay.
What was it? It's like J.C.V.D.
It's J.C.A.B.C.D. J.C.D. or something.
George Clooney. George Clooney likes.
Maybe we'll ask V. Maybe she'll know.
Oh, B. J.C.V.D. Justin, Chad, V, Daniel.
No.
My answer is J.C.V.D.
It's not J.C.V.D.
I, too, am gonna phone in a friend. Hang on. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, V, can you come here?
Yes, Chad?
I think you know something about PZ9.
I do. Oh, you hung up on me.
Oh, I'm sorry, babe. I'm back.
When I was on the Hollywood Walk of Fame,
You have a star on the Walk of Fame?
no, not yet, but in like 2 years, I think so.
Cool.
I saw PZ9 took a picture with the star.
Okay, who was it?
It was Bruce Lee.
I go vote Bruce Lee!
And he's right. Because if he were alive today, I think he would be the best fighter.
Wow.
But he's dead, so I am. He's not the best fighter. Next question. Gosh, this game is so fun when it's all about yourself, isn't it? What is my favorite candy?
Okay.
Got an answer for you.
Go ahead, Daniel. I think you've been wrong every time.
Okay, yeah, but that's all gonna change right now. Ready? Sweet tarts. They're so good.
His favorite candy is sweet farts.
Well, am I right or what?
Oh no, you're absolutely wrong. Let the trend continue.
Daniel, come on.
They're delicious.
Oh!
Where's the phone? Where's the phone?
Where's the phone? Get the phone.
Oh my gosh.
Yes, so your favorite candy is black licorice, like your heart.
What's wrong with him?
She's right.
What?
She's correct.
What? He was
What?
I can't hear what you're saying.
Black licorice is my favorite candy.
How are you doing this ASMR style?
What is happening?
Slowly walk. Slowly walk.
Me, you know me so well. You've gotten a lot of these correct. I feel like we're really building a friendship.
Yeah.
I'm scared.
We're spy ninjas, we're friendly.
Oh, he's going in for a hug.
Tried to get me again, and it almost worked. You thought I was being all emotional and sad, but no, I got it back. You tried to steal it. I stole it back.
You make me so angry, PZ9! Next question!
She's really my favorite. She knows how to explore her anger.
V, why are you getting so mad? It's just over a phone. Don't let him get to you, V. Don't let him get to you.
I don't like it when people take my property. I need it back. And him, he's like a bacteria, a disease. It just spreads his anger around. It's just like
He's trying to get you to sink down to his level, and it worked. And anyway, we can buy you a new phone if you're so worried about it. It's fine.
Yeah.
I want that phone. I don't want any other phone. I just want that one.
Phones can be replaced. People can't be replaced, you know?
You got nothing to hide on there.
I became attached to it, you know, like a teddy bear.
Okay.
Okay, I guess I understand.
Makes sense, but okay.
Yeah.
Back to the game, I guess.
She's acting a little, like, different.
Yeah. Something's going on with her.
Next question. Out of all the times that I kicked your butts, what was my favorite time?
Out of all the 0 times you kicked my butt, remember you had the bow staff and I had the nunchucks? That was pretty wicked awesome.
That had the heart racing. Until V came in and saved your butt, and then Daniel came and stole the weapon, and then you guys cornered me. That's not that fair.
I don't remember this.
You don't remember that?
I don't think I was born yet.
That's true. You were still a PZ member, so you weren't quite born yet. But anyway, am I right? Am I right?
No.
What? Okay, got it. That one battle royale with all 4 of us against you. V went on your shoulders and she did some thingies to your neck. Just like that. Am I right or am I right?
You are wrong. I had a blast during that battle royale, but my favorite battle royale of all time is the one where I took on 5 spy ninjas. And technically, I didn't lose.
You cracked my leg?
You only like that one because in the other 2 that we described, you lost.
It was the closest thing we ever did to dancing.
Next question.
Oh, yeah. You're watching PZ9 too. And my next question is, who's my favorite Disney character?
Buzz. I can think of a character that's very similar to you. He's very egotistical. He's from Beauty and the Beast. His name is Gaston. He thinks he could get all the girls, but he didn't get Belle. He thinks he's like the most muscular in town. He's the best looking, and it's just all delusional. Delusion. No.
Your answer is quite delusional. It's not Gaston.
But you were very close, V, because he is like Gaston.
Well, I think Gaston is better looking than you.
Ooh! Well, too bad he's dead.
Okay, fine. If you're not Gaston, then who are you?
I got it. He probably likes the evilest villains of all villains in Disney history, Scar. Because you also got a scar on your mask, too.
I can't believe the words she has uttered out of her mouth. Because they're correct. Yes, he's probably one of the most evil characters in all of Disney. So why not would I find him my favorite? Anything for the throne, right? All right. It's time to talk about the winners. Who knows me best? The Spy Ninja!
Yes!
No embarrassing photos for us, V.
We don't have any anyways.
So we have to post an embarrassing photo?
What's on V's phone? Why does V even have embarrassing pictures of us?
Wait,
Yeah.
wait, hold on. I've always wanted to do this. And the losers for this challenge with a capital L, these guys.
Hey!
Because I have V's phone, I'm gonna take that embarrassing photo of yours and post it on her Instagram.
Guys, don't go to V's Instagram, okay? Her Instagram is Qwaint. If you come across it, just block it, okay? Don't look at the picture.
Oh yeah, you gotta look at it. It's too funny.
Now I really want to see it, actually. How do we win that phone back now, PZ9? What's the thing? How do we win?
Yes, just give me back my phone.
Let's just spin a coin or something.
What?
Okay.
That's it?
Yeah.
Simple enough. Heads, V gets her phone back. Tails, I keep V's phone.
Here we go. Come on, heads. We got this.
Yes. Come on.
Tails, that phone is mine.
We need to win V's phone.